Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to make iPhone video compatible with Final Cut Pro. Your iPhone is recording in HDR, and on Final Cut Pro you may have to convert to SDR in order to keep the same quality of picture. You can fix this by doing the following. First, on Final Cut Pro, after you add your iPhone clip, go to Show or Hide Effects browser, and click on it. At the bottom, type HDR to get the HDR tool effect. Next, drag and drop the effect on the iPhone video clip. You will see that there is some improvement on the video, but to completely. Next, go to the top right corner of Final Cut Pro, and click on the Show or Hide the Inspector button. Next, on Show the Video tab, click on HDR Tools. Now, click on HLG to Rec 709 SIR to fix the excessive brightness of the picture. You will now see that the picture has been adjusted properly. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.